Hello, welcome back. In this video, we're going to go over an exercise where we're going to find the instantaneous and the average rates of change for a given function on an interval. So the function specifically is sine x, and the interval that we're talking about is 0 and pi over 6. Well, the average rate of change of a function over an interval is found by looking at the difference in function values from 0 to pi over 6, and we divide this difference by the distance between the endpoints of the interval. All right, the average rate of change, as you see, is the difference of the function values at the endpoints of the interval divided by the difference between the endpoints. So for this one, we have f of pi over 6, that is sine pi over 6 minus sine 0, all divided by pi over 6. All right, you can use a calculator for this kind of calculation. Sine pi over 6 is 1/2 and sine 0 is 0. So the top is simplified as 1/2 and the bottom is pi over 6. So 1/2 over pi over 6, and that's equal to 6 over 2 pi or 3 over pi. And now let's look at the instantaneous rate of change at the end point. So for that reason, we need f prime. Well, we know how to take the derivative of sine. So by using the formulas that we derived, we have f prime to be equal to cosine of x. The instantaneous rate of change of f at the end point 0 is going to be f prime at 0, which is cosine at 0. You can just go ahead and punch in cosine 0 to your TI-84 to come up with the value 1. And the instantaneous rate of change of f at point pi over 6 is equal to cosine of pi over 6. It is root 3 over 2. And root 3 over 2 is approximately equal to 0.86, and as well 3 over pi is approximately equal to 0.95. And there's one quick observation we can make here. So the instantaneous velocities at each endpoint are respectively 1 and 0.86. And we found the average rate of change to be 0.95. As you see that the average rate of change is in between 0.86 and 1. All right, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video. Bye.